Hydrogen cars were supposed to be the clean energy champions by now, so why aren't our highways full of them? Today, we're diving into the science and the surprising economics behind hydrogen cars and why they didn't take over the world of clean transportation.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
On paper, hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, or FCVs, sounded unbeatable. They're electric cars that refuel as fast as gasoline ones, produce zero tailpipe emissions, and run incredibly quietly. Companies like Toyota and Hyundai spent billions pushing the technology forward, envisioning a future where FCVs dominated clean transportation. Here's the science. A fuel cell combines hydrogen with oxygen to produce electricity on demand. No combustion, no CO2, just power and water. But the magic hides a big catch. Creating hydrogen, compressing it, storing it, transporting it, all of that takes a lot of energy. According to the US Department of Energy and IEA, making green hydrogen through electrolysis is only about 60 to 70% efficient. Then, when a fuel cell converts it back to electricity, you lose more energy, ending with just 30 to 35% efficiency from power plant to wheels. Battery electric cars? They hit 70 to 90% efficiency. That's more than double. Even if hydrogen were super efficient, there's another issue: the stations. A single hydrogen refueling station can cost $1 to $2 million or more, according to the California Energy Commission. EV chargers, even fast ones, are just a fraction of that. So governments and companies built chargers, not hydrogen pumps. Hydrogen is the lightest element in the universe, great for lifting blimps, not so great for stuffing into a car. You need tanks that hold it at 700 bar or cool it to minus 253 degrees Celsius to liquefy it. Both options are expensive and energy intensive. And while modern tanks are extremely safe, the public perception wasn't exactly confidence boosting. While hydrogen fought uphill battles, battery technology got cheaper, denser, and much more widespread. Global BEV sales jumped into the tens of millions, while hydrogen cars struggled to sell even 20,000 a year, according to the IEA Global EV Outlook 2024. Once the world scaled batteries, the race was basically over. Not at all. Hydrogen still has huge potential, just not for your daily commute. It could power long-haul trucks, decarbonize steelmaking, store surplus renewable energy, and fuel heavy industries where batteries fall short. So hydrogen cars didn't take over, but hydrogen itself might still shape the clean energy future. What do you think? Will hydrogen ever make a comeback in passenger cars? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more curious science stories.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.